Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ginseng extract. Ginseng extract is derived from the root of the ginseng plant, a popular herb in traditional medicine. You'll find it in several forms, such as liquid, powder, or convenient capsules. It's crucial to always read the product label carefully to understand its specific concentration and any other ingredients it might contain. This ensures you're using it safely and effectively. When considering ginseng extract, dosage is key. A common daily range is between 200 and 400 milligrams of the extract. Many high-quality extracts are standardized, meaning they contain a consistent amount of active compounds, usually 4% to 7% ginsenosides. If you choose a liquid extract, it's simple to mix it into a glass of water or your favorite juice, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. To get the most from your ginseng extract, consider a few best practices. Taking it with food can help prevent any potential stomach upset, making it more comfortable for your digestive system. Some users find it beneficial to cycle its use, for example, 3 weeks on and then 1 week off, to maintain effectiveness. Also, because of its stimulating properties, it's generally best to avoid taking it late in the evening. Ginseng extract is often valued for its potential to support energy levels and enhance cognitive function, helping you feel more focused throughout your day. However, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. And speaking of exploring new things, if you love to read, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.